Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration GM15NXP. Volkswagen Transporter 2.0 TDI 102 PS Trendline van. It has done 86,000 miles and comes with 2 keys. The van comes with alloys, DAB radio, cruise control, traction control, quick release rear seats, tailgate. This Kombi is a fantastic vehicle if you're looking for that family and work balance in a single vehicle. It's a fantastic, reliable multipurpose vehicle. Don't hesitate to arrange a viewing. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value. Finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.